Alright guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your alerts and add it into OBS Live. You do add it the same way into Slobs, but I'm going to show you how to make alerts in Streamlabs. So let's go. Alright, so once you have logged in and you got your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is click alert box. Once you click alert box, you're going to want to scroll all the way down. And you have these little tabs right here for each little thing. Your follow alerts, your subscriptions, your donation, host, bits, rates, even merch, and so on. These little tabs are where you set your alerts. So let me say following, for example. If you only want one follow alert, the first thing you want to do is you want to go down to images, and then you click this little button that looks like a square with like an arrow in it. You click that to be able to upload your GIF that you want. And so you could drag and drop your GIF, or you could click this button and locate what GIF you want. I already have a GIF in here, so I'm just gonna say angel gift, for example. I click it, it'll have a check mark, and then I click select. Once that's selected, I can do the same thing for sound. Right down here is sound volume, so this is how loud or quiet your sound is going to be. The alert duration is how long your alert will appear for. I tend to try to make the alert duration the same duration as the sound, just to make it, you know, even. Down here with open alert variations, you could actually have different alert variations, and I know a lot of people, I'm guilty of this, has a lot of different alert variations for subscribers. So they'll have one alert variation for tier 1 subs, one alert variation for tier 2 subs, for tier 3, for a certain amount of gift subs, etc, etc. Same thing with donations, and even host. So yeah, you go down here to add a alert variation, and it could be random, or you could be like, you know what, I want to do it when someone gifts a sub. And that will be it. That will be default. You could choose whether you want the image to be above your text, if the text will be over the image, or if the image will be like on the left of the text. I tend to like having it above, but it's preference, whatever you prefer. Here's where you would type like the message, like what you want the message to say when this alert pops up. And this is where you will do exactly what I discussed before, where you can change the image, the sound. You just change media and click what you want. If you don't have it here yet, then upload and then click select whenever you have it figured out. The sound, usually it's really, really loud, and you don't want it to be like louder than you or louder than the game or whatever. You want it kind of be even, like where you could hear it, but it's not overpowering, you know? So usually I have it fairly low, but also depends on like the audio level of your sound itself. And you could actually change the font, whatever you decide to do for the font. If you know coding, it does allow coding, but if you don't know coding, don't mess with it. And then you click save, and yeah. And once you have your alerts ready, you want to put it in OBS. The first thing you do is you gotta scroll. First of all, save settings, and then scroll all the way up, click this copy button, it'll copy the link. So click this copy button, and then go over to OBS. I'm actually gonna drag it over here. All right, go over to OBS, where it says sources, you want to click the plus button, and then scroll all the way up to browser, and name it whatever you want. Sure, that's totally how you spell alerts. But anyways, where it says URL, you're gonna wanna like triple click it and Control V to paste your alerts, and then click OK. And there you go. That is how you add Streamlabs alerts to OBS. I did use OBS Live, but it works the exact same way for Streamlabs OBS. So if you did enjoy this video, please do comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, I will see you guys next time.